Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Ahmed and this is Egyptian Reacts and Reviews. Today we'll be watching Season 3 Episode 7 of The Witcher. But first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and leave a like and a comment at the end of the video. In the last episode of The Witcher, we saw there was an attack on Aretuza, an attack that ended in Tesea having to use a last resort. She used thunder in order to kill most of the soldiers. The soldiers who Philippa and Dijkstra thought they were reinforcements. However, it turns out to be the elves, Francesca, along with Kahir, and Aretuza was basically destroyed and a lot of mages were killed. But the two major points from last episode, the cliffhangers, is that we saw Geralt basically at the brink of death after a fight with Velkeforts, who then went after Ciri, who found this weird elf magic in the tower, and by engaging with it, she destroyed the whole tower. So she's still inside, I believe, or under the rubble. What's gonna happen to both of them? Where's Yennefer in all this? Let's find out. A desert. Oh, that's her. She transported to another dimension then? Or another sphere? A unicorn? We're getting unicorns in The Witcher? Okay. Yes, Kier. Oh.
Where are you, girl?
He's not here. He's on the beach with Triss. Radovid? Really?
Looking for my guards.
The war brewing outside is nothing compared to what Geralt will unleash on this continent to find his daughter.
Yeah, if he lives to see her again.
I don't see how she could have made it, Yaskia. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, no, we're not really taking your word for it. I still don't trust this guy. Oh, Yennefer is there.
You'll need a bed. Find fresh water, get some cloths.
New people? Really? Have we seen these before? These people?
Cyrilla was once our guest as well.
Oh yeah, they were the forest, or Ciri was, I think, in the third episode of the first season.
But I lost her.
No, I'm sure she's still around, but I think she's in another sphere now. Her arm's broken?
Geralt? Yennefer?
I'm not sure echo works in completely, like, plain distances. There has to be something to bounce off.
Geralt would say to set the bone back into the joint.
Okay, so it's just dislocated.
And then he had
Dislocated shoulder, yeah. I've had that before.
Where is it?
The talisman from Yennefer? I'm not sure it's gonna work. Okay, she managed to bring other people around. Sunburns, yeah, the rads. She gonna eat it?
So if I go towards the setting sun, I'll be going west.
That's, you know, if you're in the right sphere.
I should have listened when Malsek tried to teach me constellations.
Actually, beautiful sky. I remember, like, that's how it really looks like in the desert. There is no other, like, city lights.
It's the morning dew before the shadows fall. be right, Cohen.
Really? It's a smart way if that's her only choice. What? She's been walking in a circle?
Oh, I've been walking the wrong way all night.
I think there's an element of magic that brought her back. That doesn't look very... I think it's actually more suspicious than hopeful. Yup, that is not water. Don't drink it. Do not drink it. Unicorn. Okay, it's an actual unicorn. Are we in Dune now? Is that like the worm from Dune?
You're who I've been following. You're a unicorn.
Okay, at least it's called unicorn.
You're smaller than they make you out to be in the books.
Maybe it's a baby unicorn.
Where'd you go?
No traces either, like no tracks. And the sandstorm's coming, of course.
Come on, anyone! I need some fucking food. I can't do this anymore.
Is she gonna eat the lizard? Please don't. Really? Lizard eggs?
Food.
That's certainly no way for a princess to behave.
Wait, her mom? Or is it something like impersonating her mom?
I wish you were here.
Or she's going crazy and really imagining all this.
Nothing's ever your fault, is it?
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's really her mom.
But you, my child, are a heavy weight to bear.
No, you don't know me. You abandoned me.
Yeah, definitely something's playing with her mind.
I see you, little fucker.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think that's very delicious, but what other choice does she have? Wait, the Geralt stuff was real, but nothing happened to Yennefer yet.
Don't eat the lizards. They're poison.
Where am I?
I am the past, and this is the future. Well, a possible one. Something we have in common. Both insane princesses abandoned by the people who were supposed to protect us.
Wait, is that... what was her name from the first episode? Renfrey?
I think I have the power to change things.
You're not the first person to feel that way.
Okay, this is like the third day now. And there's the unicorn.
I don't feel so good. Little horse. Is this what you wanted to show me?
That's an oasis. Should find water, right? No, please don't eat that. Okay, she's eating that.
All right, I'm coming.
Okay. That is a bad omen, I guess.
Disgusting.
I hate what the subtitles spoil. That's Calanthe. Okay. Yep, that's Calanthe.
You're not real.
The largest graveyard on the continent.
Okay, creepy Calanthe.
You've hidden yourself away all this time. You've done nothing.
You were ruled by hubris and fear, and so instead of helping people, you led into a cycle of violence.
Okay, Cirilla. Okay.
Death came for you in the end, anyway.
Ouch. She's been keeping a lot inside from her family. Or about her family. They're all dead now.
You couldn't lead a horse to water. Shut up!
Ouch.
Missed me already?
I don't know you.
She doesn't sound like Yennefer, like Renfrey, but I feel like it must be someone we've seen before.
I decided to rally the common folk, and with their help, I took back what was rightfully mine. Blood and fire.
I've heard that story.
Daenerys?
And they tied me to a stake and burned me alive.
Nope, that's someone we never saw.
You built entire streets with blood.
Whose blood? Those who wish to use me or kill me.
You want to change the system, Princess Cirilla? Burn it to the ground.
Okay, Daenerys went that route. It didn't go well for her. Please do not do the same.
I can sense something.
The worm? Nope. It's a scorpion rock monster. Oh, nice. The unicorn is helping. It just killed the unicorn. Nice. It's just a giant bug.
This might help.
I'm pretty sure he needs some sort of magic to heal. That's it? That's helping him? Putting a bandage on it?
Little horse.
Is that like an abandoned settlement? It's pretty obvious. It's like infected and spreading.
It's lifeless shithole!
Oh, to be a helpless princess.
I thought you said magic is everywhere.
Fire magic. It's tempting.
It's forbidden.
Is this whole episode to tempt Ciri into using fire magic? And of course, once she gets a taste of it, she'll be able to use it for evil. Okay, I guess it worked.
Don't. Those who are afraid of what you are dead weight.
Feels easy.
Yep, I guess she had trouble with all other kinds of magic, but this one is just too natural.
Except it isn't a curse. It's a gift. You will change everything.
Okay, don't charge too much. That's too much energy.
There will be a time of contempt.
Again with the time of contempt.
Your wrath is righteous. Your revenge is justice. Those you love will betray you too.
Oh, now she's against, like, putting her against Geralt and Yennefer. And Jaskier? What has Jaskier got to do with anything?
Your rage, child of the elder blood.
You'll always be their pawn.
I want to give them up.
They'll only hold you back.
Okay, I have a theory. It's the White Flame pretending to be all these women to push her to kill everyone.
I relinquish my powers!
Relinquish my powers?
This is the girl he's looking for.
Fine. No need to be so mean about it. You two pick her up.
Did she actually relinquish her power? I did not expect that. Please tell me they're friends of Jaskier and they mean he was looking for her?
Well, here goes nothing.
Equal os. Nagavol ip hit li.
A charity came in.
Does that song mean something to them?
He needs you. Don't lag behind.
No
Dara,
boys
he
allowed.
knows him, right?
Kind of club. You're giving them refuge. Ciri's missing. Yennefer's hunting for her, but Nilfgaard, the Emperor, announced the celebration. She's on her way to Nilfgaard.
And that was season 3, episode 7 of The Witcher. We mainly followed Ciri this episode. She was transported. I thought in the beginning she was transported to another sphere through a portal, but turns out she just was transported a little bit far away into a desert, apparently at the edge of the magic forest. Geralt was there. Triss took him in order to heal, but apparently he's still unable to move. Jaskier was able to track him and follow him and find him eventually to tell him that Emir, or the White Flame, has announced that Princess Cirilla is on her way to Nilfgaard. But I'm a little bit doubtful because when those people found her, they said he's looking for her, and I'm not sure, like, why didn't they say the White Flame was looking for her? I'm assuming it's going to turn out to be someone else, or I could just be overthinking it, and they are actually taking her to the White Flame. I liked how they showed Ciri this episode. She was not willing to give up. Her survival training must have been with Geralt, and she used everything she learned in order to find food and water in like a desolate desert. She found this mystical creature, the unicorn. The unicorn led her through the desert, and while it was doing that, they faced this scorpion rock giant monster, and Ciri was able to kill it, but it injured the unicorn first. Ciri was so desperate, she eventually used fire magic in order to heal the unicorn, which eventually ran away because he was afraid of the fire magic. But Ciri also saw visions of a lot of women, her mom and her grandmother, and this woman Falca, who apparently was notorious for using fire magic in order, or that she was a monster who basically caused massacres and destroyed cities. She kept pushing her and pushing her into using fire magic, which came very easy to Cirilla, not like the previous times when she was using air or water or earth. It was very hard, and she couldn't really do one spell easily. But fire magic came very simple to her, and Falca told her that this is her gift and she needs to use it to destroy everyone who wants to use her. But she really meant everyone. She included Geralt, Yennefer, and Jaskier in the people who want to use Ciri. So basically, this Falca is trying to make Ciri kill everyone and destroy everything. My first theory is that this is not Falca, or this is something connected to the White Flame, and he's using like images of her mom and grandma and Falca in order to push her into destroying the people who protect her, and then she will find no one else to go to but the White Flame. Is this going to turn out to be true? We'll have to find out in the next episode, the season finale. So until then, thank you everyone for watching this episode with me. My name is Ahmed. This is Egyptian Reacts and Reviews. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Leave a like and a comment at the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next episode.